In this quick tutorial, we will show you how to create an office for your company. Let's navigate to the Workplaces tab and go into Offices. Click on Create. Let me fill out the basic info first. Let's fill out the address. We can do this manually or select the exact location on the map. If work tracking is turned on and a radius is set for the location, employees will get a warning if they clock in outside that area. From here, we only have just a few additional options. Clicking on the location icon will open the map to show where the office is located at. The green circle is the work tracking radius we inserted. The Edit button will allow us to edit the office in case the location or name is changed. If you have multiple offices, you can use the search bar to locate it. This icon indicates that work tracking is enabled. Same will be visible on the Manage Workdays page. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. Let us know if you have any questions.